GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Milky Mist Paneer. Milky Mist Paneer.
He's too good looking. He'd look good with anybody.
That's true. What would you message the following people? Karthik.
I would say
So one actress that you wish to act with and why? One actor who you wish to romance next.
who I wish. Oh my god.
I thought you will take your brothers.
But for me, they're not Bollywood, na.
Why? Sara Ali Khan.
I want her skin. Sabha is one of the kindest souls I know. Okay, it was very early on in her relationship with Duguya that I started feeling like, I forgot that she's dating him. I felt like she's my friend and he's there also.
Oh, Aditya.
Hi.
Siddhant Chaturvedi, Ibrahim Ali Khan, Karthik Aryan and Aditya Roy Kapoor kill, marry, just friends and ghost.
Can I pick the younger one? I would say Gibran and I communicate in a GIF from Galata Game Show. And it's basically us doing Fevicol se ka dance, and every time we say something dumb to each other, because there's that one point where you say sing Soni Soni, and instead of singing Soni Soni, Gibran says Aankhon ke bando.
Sorry.
Sorry.
And you have started
Strangling him.
Listen, that's another secret.
So well, it's the rapid fire.
Okay, you have to be very rapid.
Yeah.
Okay.
So one actress that you wish to act with and why?
Alia Bhatt, because she is an incredible actor. I would learn a lot from her, and everything she touches turns to gold. She's got the Midas touch.
That's true. One actor who you wish to romance next.
Who I wish, oh my god. Can I say Ranbir Kapoor? He's
Of
so
course.
handsome. Yeah.
If you had to pick 3 actors who you think you would look really good, amazing, like on screen with, like a Jodi.
Okay, I would say
Ranbir is one.
Oh my god, he's too good looking. He'd look good with anybody.
That's true.
Ranbir, I would say Varun, and can I pick the younger one? I would say Ibrahim.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Ibrahim and you would look really, really nice. Okay, your favorite Bollywood couple.
My favorite Bollywood, Virat and Anushka.
Okay. I thought you will take your brothers.
For me, they're not Bollywood, na. वो तो घर का है. दोनों घर के हैं.
Okay, a director on your wish list.
Zoya Akhtar.
Your dream role. Something that you've already seen which you wish I had done this.
Like Razi.
Oh.
Love that film.
If you could steal something from the following people, what would you steal? It can be anything. It can be a person, it can be a film, it can be anything. Okay? Or a quality also. Sara Ali Khan.
Her skin. She has beautiful skin. That's so weird to
No,
say.
but that's okay.
I want her skin. Her skin.
Ananya.
Her fashion sense.
Janvi.
Janvi's eyes.
Kriti.
Kriti's height.
Kiara.
Oh, I'm sounding very, very superficial. Kiara's grace.
Kareena Kapoor.
Oh, the attitude and confidence.
Okay. Sabha.
Sabha, her heart. She has the most beautiful heart.
I saw that post that she had done for you where I felt like you can see the amount of love and warmth in that post. And I know that you both have a great equation. If you had to speak about her, this is not a part of the rapid fire, but I genuinely feel like asking you this. What is it that the world doesn't know much of her that you know, of course, as family?
Sabha is one of the kindest souls I know. Okay, it was very early on in her relationship with Duguya that I started feeling like, I forgot that she's dating him. I felt like she's my friend and he's there also. And it happens very often that we hijack her, Suranika and I. We hijack her, take her to the room, and we're just like, where is Sabha? These 2 girls have taken her anyway. But she's my sister, and I feel like she's been my sister for even before I met her.
How
And I feel like we have a soul connection, and she is one of the kindest, most gentlest, and most honest people.
And so
ever.
talented, my God.
So talented, and you know, the type of person that'll do anything for someone they love,
Yeah.
and always like righteous. She's always on the part of the good and right.
Okay, now if you had a Finsta account, what would you message the following people? So they don't know it's you, so you can message anything. Varun.
You should do a film with Pashmina Roshan. You
Now
would
you're
look
not
so
gonna
good
repeat
together.
that for everybody. Siddharth.
Siddharth, you're so handsome.
Oh, Aditya.
Hi.
Um,
I don't know what I would message anybody. Okay, fine.
no, but you have to think of something.
Okay.
Ranveer Singh.
Oh, I would say looking forward to watching Dawn.
That's a nice one. Karthik.
I would say he keeps saying Abe, so I would say Abe.
Vijay Deverakonda.
I would say I don't know what I would say. I'm so bad at this.
No.
I don't know what I would say.
Anything that you feel like.
I would just say hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you? You will say as Pashmina. But when you're from a Finsta account, you can say anything random.
I would say how's the weather up there because he's so tall.
Wow.
Yeah, Nayan, I don't know what I would say. I'm not great at this game.
No, you're very good. This one was not good, but
Okay.
otherwise it was good. Okay. You have to kill, marry,
This
just
is-
friends and ghost.
Friends and ghost. Okay.
Kill, marry, just friends and ghost. Okay. I'm gonna give you 4 names. Siddhant Chaturvedi.
Okay.
Ishan Khattar.
Okay.
Aditya Roy Kapoor and Kartik Aaryan. So we can
That's
change
so
Ishan Khattar. I'm
mean.
gonna give you 4 different because you said Ibrahim. I know. So Siddhant Chaturvedi, Ibrahim Ali Khan, Kartik Aaryan, and Aditya Roy Kapoor. Kill, marry, just friends and ghost.
Why do I have to just ghost anybody, yaar?
Just ghost.
Just ghost? I don't know why would I ghost
What was
anybody.
that word that you had taught me?
What?
Breadcrumb.
Breadcrumb. So I should bread.
What was it? Benching.
Oh my god, do you not want to ask me about Gen Z lingo?
No, I hate it. I don't know myself. What am I gonna ask you?
I have I've traveled India now. I know some more Gen Z lingos. I can give you. Do you know what cookie jarring is? Should I change ghost to cookie jar?
What is cookie jarring?
Cookie jarring
Putting
is
somebody in a
when you
jar.
when two people decide that at the say at 30 or 40 I don't have anybody and you don't have anybody, we'll get married. That's a cookie jarring.
That too I've done to so many people who are already married now. I've done it to an actor. I will not say this. I'm not gonna say the name.
Okay,
I said
you
if
have
you
to
don't
tell
get
me
married,
off camera.
this is a stupid thing. This is just a joke. And I've taken that actor's name in this rapid fire already. So I told that person that if you don't get married by 40,
Then be Kapoor.
then you stay single for the rest of your life because I love you so much and all that. I've said this. Okay. And of course he got married.
Oh no.
Matlab, that was a joke.
Now you have to
That
find
was a
another
joke, guys.
You
Huh?
need to find another cookie jar.
No, there's nobody left in the industry to find cookie jars. There's nobody left.
Okay.
Nobody. Yeah. So
I can't believe you're still on this question. I can't answer it.
no, cookie jarring now. You've given me cookie jarring. Cookie
I
jar,
forgot the
just
name.
friends, kill, marry.
Kill. So I
Kill,
didn't. No.
So then marry, just friends, and cookie jar.
Okay, so everything is cute.
Huh.
Okay. What are the names?
Aditya, Kartik, Ibrahim, and Siddhant Chaturvedi.
I would say I would be. What was it? Do we have to answer this question?
Yes, of course.
It's too much. Okay. Marry, right? I would marry Aditya. I would just friends Ibrahim. I would cookie jar Kartik. And what's the other one?
Kill.
No, there was no kill. How mean.
Ghost.
No, we changed ghost to cookie jar. There
Then
was
there's
one
nothing,
more.
nothing that we changed kill to.
How mean! I don't want to.
Benching. You can put bench.
Yeah, I'll bench Siddharth.
I'm saying this is hilarious.
This is so mean. I wouldn't do any of this to
I
any
know
of them.
nobody does any of this to anybody. It's just like ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. Now you have to give me 3 secrets, one each of your 3 co-stars that the world doesn't know.
Oh my
which is
god.
Rohit, which is Gibran and Naila. And I will see if those secrets match up. Then another gift is gonna come your way for sure.
You will see if the secrets match up.
No, I will think. I will
Okay, fine.
if the secrets are like great.
Naila goes to sleep at 11 p.m. every day.
That's not a secret.
That is a secret. that she
A lot of people actually sleep before 11.
Okay, wait, now I have to think. Yeah, Naila doesn't tell me her secrets only. I don't have a secret for Naila. This is my secret for Naila. She goes to sleep at 10
11.
p.m.
10.
That's what she tells people.
Oh, but she's not.
But I'm pretty sure she's not sleeping.
That could be a
Yeah.
good secret.
Gibran.
Gibran, we know everything, but I want to see which secret you're saying.
Can I say the one that I told you before? Gibran and I communicate in a GIF from Galata Game Show. And it's basically us doing Fevicol Seka dance, and every time we say something dumb to each other, we'll send that GIF. And it's you singing at the back actually.
You know how much fun they have made of my singing, right? Because I sang that Aankhon ke panno pe.
Yeah, I saw that.
That was
Can I tell you what happened? We have watched we have gone for the interview, and I was holding the mic like this, okay, in the interview, and I said that, look, people are gonna comment saying mic pakadne ka style thoda casual hai na. And she's like, have you seen my video, my viral video of the mic with Salman Khan? So I was like, no, I have not seen. So we went and we watched it. Starting to watch it, and I was like, oh my god, this is Nayan singing. And
So
that's the
this
kind of
was
thing.
curated by Anita.
Yeah.
This is a murder mystery that will be solved very soon. I'm meeting you. She was calling me right before this interview. Now you straight away know. Block list. But why? Why would they do that? They have only made fun of my singing.
It's too funny.
Only to
I
sing
love that
horribly.
interview because there's that one point where you say sing Soni Soni, and instead of singing Soni Soni, Gibran says Aankhon ke panno.
आंखों के sorry. Sorry.
And you have started
Strangling him.
Listen, that's another secret. Gibran, Rohit and I live on memes. Like, we live on them. We consume them like it's our bread and butter.
Do you have a WhatsApp group?
Yeah.
What's that
I
called?
can't say.
You have to say.
I can't say.
You have to say it.
You say cut.
No, say.
I'll tell you, I'll show you later.
Is it a cuss word?
No.
Then
It's not a cuss. It's just not a word that I want to say.
but stay the same no matter
Yeah.
what happens. The fact that you are so warm, you are so sweet, is what is going to take you places. I feel that it is very, very important to be a good person, which we discussed.
Yeah.
And genuinely saying this with all my heart, that you come across as a very warm, kind person. And this is not just me saying. Understand that I also have friends in the media who felt the same about you and never change. That's the only.
You. I do not intend to. I only intend to become a better version of this.
Yes, that's fine. That's absolutely welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nayan.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Milky Mist Paneer. Milky Mist Paneer.